In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. We'll walk through adding images to a website page in HubSpot, and I'll share practical tips so your visuals look sharp, load fast, and fit your layout. Start on your HubSpot main dashboard. From the top navigation, open the More menu to reveal additional tools, then select Website Pages. This is your central hub to see all site pages and control how images appear across them. You can work on an existing page if that's your goal, or start fresh. For clarity, we'll create a website page so you can see the full flow from a clean slate. When the page creator opens, you'll see a gallery of pre-made templates, as well as the option to build your own style. Templates are great for speed and consistent branding. To focus purely on image placement without extra layout elements, choose a blank template. You can always style and expand later. Inside the editor, look to the left panel. Click the plus icon to open the module library, then use the search bar to type image. You'll see several image-related options that help you place and style visuals. Choose the image option to place it on your page. Depending on your theme, you may also see image and text combinations that streamline common layouts like feature sections or hero areas. With the image area selected, you can manage how the visual displays and behaves. To add the actual file, hover over the placeholder and select Replace. This opens your file manager where you can pick something from your library or upload a new asset. Keep performance in mind. Compress photos before uploading, aim for balanced quality and size, and use descriptive file names so your library stays organized. JPG is ideal for photos, PNG for graphics with transparency, and modern formats like WebP can reduce size further. After choosing your file, confirm with Select Image. Use the settings in the left panel to adjust size, alignment, spacing, and whether the image should be full width or constrained to the content area. Add concise, descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and SEO, and set a focal point if the option is available, so critical subjects stay visible on smaller screens. If the image needs to link somewhere, add the destination URL in the image settings rather than stacking extra buttons. When everything looks right, click Preview to see the page in action. Review desktop and mobile to confirm cropping, clarity, and load speed. If you're satisfied, click Publish to make your changes live. You can always return to update the image or its settings later without rebuilding the page. And that's the process for using images in HubSpot content. Clean, consistent, and ready for your audience.